Hi everyone, good morning again. So today we'll do exercise number 8.1 of the class 8. So in that case, we did already question number 1 and now we'll do question number 2. For the question number 2, question number A says it's the given equation is 2 into 0.25 y minus 1 plus 1.5y which is equal 8. In that question, first you have to remove the bracket. So 2 into 0.25. So first multiply 2 into 0.25. 0.25 into 2. So it will be 0, 1, then it will be 5.0. Okay? So it will be 0.50. Y minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1.5y equals to 8. Now add this 0.50 plus 1.5. 1.5 means 1.50 and 0.50. If you add them, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 is here, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2.00, that means only 2. So we can write as 2y minus 2 equals to 8. So 2y equals to 8. Then 2 will go this side. So it is with minus sign. So it will be plus. So it will be 2y equals to 10. That means y will be 10 divided by 2, which means y will be 5. Okay. This is your answer of first question. So first we did the multiplication of first we have to remove the brackets. After the removing the brackets, we have to just add them, and after the addition we have to just find out the value of y as per the rules of class 7 and class 6. So in that formation we will do question number B. 2b. We'll do question number B. Question number B says x minus 2 divided by 3, then minus 3 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2, then minus x minus 5 divided by 6 minus x equals to 6 by 5. In that question, if you see that toughness, it is not that much tough. Okay, so first we have to remove the bracket. So x minus 2 by 3 minus plus minus 3 by 4 minus plus x minus 3 by 2 minus x minus 5 by 6 and minus x equals to 6 by 5. Now in that question you can apply directly. Either you can add this one and this one alone, and this minus 3 by 4 can go this side also, or you can do like this also. Look how many denominators are here. 3, 4, 2, 6, 5. So find out the LCM of 3, 4, 2, 6 and 5. So 3, 4, 2, 6 and 5. If I will find out the LCM, so it will go with 2. So it will be 3, 2, 1, 3, 5. If we will go with 2 again, then it will be 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. If it will go with 3, then 1, 1, 1, 1, comma 5. Then it will go with 5. So 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 is a 12, 12 5s are 16. So answer will be 16. So now multiply all the terms. Here, one term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. Multiply all the terms with 60. So we'll do 60 into x minus 2 by 3 minus 60 into 3 by 4 plus 60 into x minus 3 by 2 minus 60 into x minus 5 by 6 minus 60 into x equals to 60 into 6 by 5. In that question, now you have to cut 3 20s are 60, 4 12s are 60. Oh, sorry. 4 15s are 60. So 2 30s are 60. 6 10s are 60. Now you can cut here also. 1 12 5s are 60. Now 20 will be multiplied with x minus 2. So you can write 20 into x minus 2 minus 50 into 3 plus 30 will be multiplied with x minus 3. 10 will be multiplied with x minus 5. 60 into x equals to 12 6 are how much? You can write directly 12 into 6. Now we have to multiply all the numbers. So 20 into x, 20x minus 20 into 2, 40. Here is minus. So 15 3s are 45 plus. So 30 into x is 30x plus minus minus 90. So 30 into 3 is 90 plus minus minus 10x minus plus 10 into 5 is 50 minus 60x equals to 12 6 is 72. Now in that case 20x, then where is the x? 30x, then where is the another x? Minus 10x, another minus 60x, then minus 40, minus 45, minus 90 plus 50 equals to 72. Add them. So these will be this can be addition. So 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. 40 minus 60 is minus 20. Minus 20x. Now 40 minus 40 minus 45 is minus 95. Minus 95 minus 90 is minus 185. Minus 185 plus 50 is minus 135. Minus 135 equals to 72. So if we do like this, minus 20x will be equal 135 plus 70, because it was minus, so it will be plus. So minus 20x equals to, it will be 207 by, so x will be, minus x will be 207 by 20. If we will do like this, so then x will be minus 207 by 20. Minus 207 by 20. Now next question. We'll do next question. The next question is 2x minus 3 times of 2x plus 3 divided by 7x plus 3 plus 4x, which is equal 7 by 6. Now first we have to just find out what is here. 2x minus plus minus 3 to the 6x minus plus minus 3 to the 9 We have to remove the bracket, right? So here also 7x plus 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 3 only plus 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 4x only, which is equal 7 by 6. Now 2x minus 6x is minus 4x minus 9, and 7x plus 4x is 11x plus 3, which is equal 7 by 6. We can do cross multiplication. So here the cross multiplication of 6 will be multiplied with minus 4x minus 9, and 7 will be multiplied with 11x plus 3. This portion will be multiplied with 7, this portion will be multiplied with 6. So in that case, plus minus minus, 6 4s are 24, plus minus minus, 6 9s are 54, 7 into 11 77x, 7 into 3 21. Now 77 will come this side, so it will be minus 24x already here. Now 77x will come this side, then it will be minus 77x. Now 21 is already here, and minus 54 will go this side, then it will be plus 54. So minus, here is also minus, so we have to just add them and sign will be minus. So 4 plus 7 is 11, 1. Then 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 101. X equals to 21 plus 54. It will be 575. So x will be, minus x will be 75 by 101. So x will be minus 75 divided by, right here. So x will be minus 75 divided by 101. You can write like this also. Okay. Now question number D. D is same as question number B. You can try it also. Okay. Now question number E. I am coming to question number E. What is the question number E? So question number E says it is minus 7p plus 13 by 6 equals to 2p minus 1. Now you will say that, sir, here is minus, so what can I do? You can take at one portion only. Okay, then the upper portion will be multiplied with 1 and down portion will be multiplied with this one. Okay, so it will be minus 7p plus 13, minus 7p plus 13, which is equals to 6 into 2p minus 1. So here minus 7p plus 13, which is equals to 6 into 2, 12p, 6 into 1, 6. So minus 7p and 12 will come this side, so it will be minus 2p, 12p, which is equal minus 6 minus 13. Why minus 13? Because here is plus 13. Now minus 7p minus 12, how much? Minus 19p, and here is also minus 19. So minus p will be minus 19 by 19. We can write as minus 19 by 19. If we cut, it will be 1. So minus p equals to minus 1. So we can cut both sides minus. So it will be p equals to 1. P will be 1. If you have any doubt, you can ask via message. Now in the next question we will try. We have to try next question. So what is the next question? Question number 8. It says x plus 1 by 4, x plus 1 by 4, and then plus x plus 2 by 2 equals to x minus 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 by 3. Now take out the LCM of denominators. So 4, 2, 2, 3. So we have to take out 4, 2, 2, 3. So in that case, it will go with 2. So 2, 1, 1, 3. So it will go with 2 again. 1, 1, 1, 3. So it will go with 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. So LCM will be, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 2 to the 4, 4 3 is the 12. So 12, you have to multiply with 12 all the terms. Okay. So it will be 12 multiplied with x plus 1 by 4 plus 12 will be multiplied with x plus 2 by 2. 12 will be multiplied with x minus 3 by 2. 12 will be multiplied with x minus 1 by 3. If we will do, say 5, if we cut, then it will be 3, it will be 6, it will be 6, and it will be 4. Now 3 is multiplied with x plus 1, 6 is multiplied with x plus 2, 6 is multiplied with x minus 3, and minus 4 is multiplied with minus x minus 1. Now 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 1, 3, plus 6 into x, 6x, plus 6 into 2 is 12, 6 into x is 6x, minus 6 into 3 is minus 18, minus 4 into x is 4x, minus minus plus 4. So 3x plus 6x is 9x, and 3 plus 12 is 15. 6x minus 4x is 2x, and minus 18 plus 4, minus 18 plus 4, it will be minus 14. So in that case, 9x minus 2x, because 2x we are coming from, 2x is coming from right hand side to left hand side. So the sign will be changed. So here sign is changed. It became minus, and minus 14 is already here. So minus 15 will go this side. Then plus 15 will be minus 15. So 9x minus 2x is 7x, and minus 15 minus 14 minus 15 will be 29. So x will be minus 29 divided by 7. Minus 29 divided by 7. It will be the answer of question number F. If you want to write, then you can pause. Question number G. 2 by 1 plus a plus 2, which is equal 5 minus 2 by a. 5 minus 2 by a. Here, first we have to remove the bracket. So 2 into 1 by a, that means 2 by a, plus 2 into 2 is 4, which is equal 5 minus 2 by a. Now 2 by a is here, 2 by a is here. You can come this side. So 2 by a, and this minus 2 by a will be plus 2 by a, which is equal 5 minus 4. 4y minus, because it was in plus. Now here both the denominators are same, so we can directly write a 2 plus 2, which is equal 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4 by a equals to 1. So it will be 4 equals to a, which means a equals to 4. It was easy question. Now question number H. We will do question number H. Four by 3x minus 2 by x 5 by 3x minus 5. What we will do here? Now we have to take out the LCM of 3x and x. You listen very correctly, that 3x and x, we have to take out the LCM. How can I take out the LCM? 3x. The factors are 3 and x. Factors are 3 and x, and the factor of x is x only. If I will do like this also, what can I get? 3x and x. Both are going with x only. So it will be 3, it will be 1, then 3, 1, 1. 3 into x will be 3x. So LCM will be 3x. So we have to write as 3x. We are doing this portion only, not touching this portion. Now LCM is 3x. Now 4 will be multiplied with how many times of 3x will be 3x? It's 1. So 1 minus how 2 you have to write, multiply with x. How many times of x will be 3x? It's 3. So 3. Now 5 by 3x minus 5. Now 4 into 1 is 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6 by 3x, which is equal 5 by 3x minus 5. That means 4 minus 6 is minus 2 by 3x, which is equal 5 by 3x minus 5. Is that clear? So in that case, we have to just cross multiply. This portion will be multiplied with this portion. Okay. So minus 2 will be multiplied with 3x minus 5, which is equals to 5 is multiplied with 3x. What we will get then? We will get minus 2 into 3 minus 6x minus into minus plus 2 into 5 is 10, which is equal 5 into 3 is 15x. The 15x will go this side and 10 will go this side. So minus 6x minus 15x, which is equals minus 10. Now minus 6x minus 15, how much it will come? Minus 21x, which is equals minus 10. Minus minus will cut, then x will be 10 by 21. This one will be your answer. This one will be your answer. This is one of the very important question. The next question. What will be the next question? What is the next question? The next question is question number I. It says 1 by x, sorry, minus 1 by x, which is equal minus 7 by 2 plus 2 by x. Now 2 by x will go this side, so it will be minus 1 by x minus 2 by x, which is equals minus 7 by 2. That means x will remain in the denominator place. Now minus 1 minus 2, it will be minus 7 by 2. Now it will be minus 1 minus 2, that means minus 3 by x, which is equal minus 7 by 2. Now minus 3 into 2, it will be minus 3 into 2, which is equal minus 7 into x, minus 7 into x. So it will be minus 6 equal to minus 7x. Minus minus will cut, then it will be 7x, which is equal 6. Now x will be 6 by 7, which is your answer. And this is it for your linear equation. I hope you understood, and if you have any doubt, you can message me directly. Okay, don't waste the time. Okay.